Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this Origami Dog Head, and yeah, I like this one. It's kind of different than what I usually do, and yeah, with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so I'm going to start this model off with a 6-inch square. This model is a medium level complexity, so not too hard, not too easy. Okay, so let's start one side up, and let's valley fold diagonally in half. Alright, now let's unfold, rotate, and repeat. Okay, now let's unfold. And now we're going to make a blend base, so let's fold these 4 corners to the center point right here. Now let's turn over and let's fold diagonally in half. Unfold, and let's fold diagonally half in this direction. Alright, now let's unfold, and now let's fold this edge up to this crease. And make sure that this flap swings out. And let's rotate and repeat, valley fold up, letting this back flap swing out. Okay, and then now let's unfold that, and let's do the same on this side. So let's valley fold up, letting this flap swing out, and let's rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's fold these two at the same time. So let's fold it up, letting these flaps swing out. So again, it was like this, but then we just made a rabbit ear and let these 2 corners swing out. And let's collapse this to the left. And do the same on this side. Valley fold the 2 at the same time, making a rabbit ear and letting these 2 flaps swing out. And let's fold over to the right. So right now, it should look like 2 squares. Alright guys, sorry I kind of messed up the color a little bit. You're actually supposed to start colored side up, but I should have something at the start of the video saying to start colored side up. Okay, anyways, let's, our model should look like this, and then now let's make a rabbit ear. So let's valley fold this up, unfold, and do the same on this side. And let's unfold, and let's do both at the same time, and collapse this flap to the right. Sorry, left. And then let's rotate and repeat. And this time we're collapsing to the right. Okay, now let's take these 2 flaps and valley fold them up. And let's do the same with this square. So let's valley fold this edge to this crease. Unfold, and now let's valley fold this edge to this crease. And let's unfold, fold them both at the same time, and let's collapse to the right. Alright, now let's rotate and repeat. Okay, and our model should look like this. Okay, so now let's take this bottom flap, the small flap, valley fold it to the right, and let's reverse fold inside like that. And then let's fold these 2 large flaps over, and then let's take this small flap, fold it to the left, and let's reverse fold it inside like that. Okay, and then now what you want to do is valley fold the model in half like this, and then you want to reverse fold along this line. So let's valley fold up, unfold, And actually, sorry, we're not going to reverse fold, we're going to open sync. So let's open this up and just spread the layers along the existing creases. You might need to open it up quite a bit, like that. And just push the corners in and valley fold across, and then just collapse like that. Okay, and then now you can unfold in half, I guess, and the model should look like that. Alright, now let's work a bit on the nose, so let's zoom in. Okay, and then let's let's valley fold this line up to this line right here. So let's go up like this, unfold, and then let's squash fold. So open up here and squash, just like that. Alright, now let's valley fold up along these 2 points. So valley fold up, and then let's unfold, and let's valley fold this point to this point, like that. And then let's valley fold up, and then let's valley fold this over this way, and let's valley fold this corner up, and then let's unfold this part, then let's valley fold this way, lots of valley folding, then let's valley fold this up again to the center line, and let's valley fold back. And there we have a little white nose. Alright, now let's work on the tongue, or the mouth. So what we want to do is we want to open up this flap, and we want to reverse some of the creases. So there's some faint creases right here that you have to make, like that. And let's let's fold like this, and reverse fold this inside, and let's valley fold this in, so it should look like that. Here's the other side, and then it just collapses in like that. Alright, and then do the same on this side. So you want to open this up, you want to mountain fold a little V, and you want to keep this raw edge reverse folded in. Just tuck it in like that, and then collapse. Okay, and then now what you want to do is fold this down just about there, maybe a little bit under the nose, then unfold, and then let's reverse fold. So open this up, valley fold down, and just close it back up. Alright, now I'm going to get a bit closer. You want to valley fold this back, and that's going to be the tongue. And then you can round out the edges just to make it a little smoother. So it should look like that. And then one last thing, you want to tuck this flap behind. So just tuck it into this pocket so that this layer's on the front. So it should look like that. Alright, now let's work on the ears, and the fold mark for this is somewhat arbitrary, but what you want to do is valley fold this behind, and you kind of want this point right here to line up with this edge, like that. And this is kind of not nice, so let's just fold that behind like that, and that looks a bit better. Alright, now do the same with this side. Just try to keep it symmetrical, so it should look like that. Alright, and then now let's fold this behind. Again, it's somewhat arbitrary, but just fold it so that looks good. Let's move this flap out of the way. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then do the same on the other side. So yeah, that's what the front should look like. That's what the back should look like. Alright, now as a final step, let's actually give him some eyes. So let's do the right one first. So let's valley fold and unfold. And then you want to valley fold this point up to this point. So let's valley fold up and then unfold. And then you want to make a fold so that both of the creases that we just made align. It's kind of hard to see that. Probably shouldn't have chosen black paper, but it's okay. Alright, and then now let's turn it this way. And let's valley fold. Which way do we valley fold? Oh, let's just let's valley fold this point to this point. Alright, and then now what you want to do, this is very small, but you just want to fold that point up and unfold. Alright, and then now we're going to squash fold. So you might just need to open the layers to make it a little bit easier, because this is so small. So yeah, just squash it like that, then fold everything back. And then finally let's open the eye, like that. Alright, and then now I'll do the same with this one. I won't fast forward it because it's kind of hard. So let's valley fold up, unfold, valley fold across, unfold, and then make a fold aligning those two like that. Okay, and then now let's fold the edge to the crease, or I guess the corner to the crease, and then we can just do the same thing. So valley fold the corner up this way, and unfold, and then open the very tiny pocket. Again, you might need to open some layers just to make it a little bit easier. Like that. And then refold it all. And then finally, let's open this eyelid. Unless you want it closed and you want like a winking dog, but let's open the eyelid. And there's our dog. So I hope you were able to fold that. And in the meantime, have fun folding.